Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm actually after a bit of help today. I've bought two of these standard type meters and I went for the ones without the shunt because I'm not going to be getting anywhere near 100 amps, and this was a lot cheaper. So I'm just wondering basically if anyone knows which wires go where, because I just expected it to be the battery, two for the battery and two for the load, but I'm not sure on that how it will go. If anyone knows how that needs to be wired in, and we'll call this 1, 2, 3, 4, just tell me which one goes in where, and that would be great. I may in the meantime have a play around with them, because I'm presuming the load will probably be the top two and the source the bottom two, but I didn't really want to plug it in the wrong way. There's no instructions with it other than the instructions with regards to that, as you can see. The rest is just normal stuff. Yeah, so anyway, if anyone's got any ideas how that needs to be wired in without the shunt, then I would be most grateful. Thank you.